Okay, so the main thing about the video today is that I'm actually helping my friend to clean up the Airbnb after the guests checked out. So it's gonna pay me $80 an hour, so it's a great deal. So I thought I would just take it because it's a chilled Saturday and we are on lockdown and there's no way we're going anywhere beyond 5 kilometers because of the rules here in Victoria. So I have done all sort of work here in Australia, not all, but yeah, I'm gonna explain that in upcoming videos because many people have asked me about it, like how did you survive doing the part-time and also studying the university. By the way, I studied in Monash and that was actually a tough course as well. I'm gonna explain that in a different video. For now, it's already 10:30. There's another guest coming at 12:30. So before that, we just need to clean up. So follow me and I'll show you how it's done. Hello. Anyone's here? Hello. Okay, this guy has less. Oh my goodness. So I gotta say, this guy has actually kind of thrashed this place and he left one sock as well. We're just gonna throw it out. And there's towel here, there's some food that he might have microwaved, and bottle here, couple of open bottles as well, and he drank a lot of energy drink, which is for sure interesting, and everything else looks fine. He opened this. Good that he's not a smoker. It's clean. Is that an eyelash? It's a fake eyelash. I'm pretty sure something must have went terribly wrong in that couch. This is definitely going for wash. Put it down. I need to do a little bit of disinfectants afterwards. I'm gonna make this place smell really good. That's enough for now. Oh my god, look at this bed here. I hope I won't find anything terrible. I'm at the second bedroom as well. As you can see, it's pretty much thrashed. Not really, but yeah. I'm pretty sure this guy had a crazy night here. That's a very good view for the bedroom. So guys, I've done all the cleaning, changed the sheets, replaced the towels, and also vacuumed. Now need to rearrange the things accordingly. There's a reference picture in my phone. I'll just look at it and rearrange it. Especially the pillows on the chair. It was like this before. Now I'm gonna keep it like that. So just tidying this up. The edges are sharpened and this one goes in there. Ready for the next guest. It's all clean. I replaced the waste bins. All good. Since we're done with the cleanup, it's time for some cinematic shots. Here we go. Anyway, it's all done. So this apartment is ready for the next guest. Let's just keep the key back. So that's it, guys. I'm going back to home. I'm gonna hang out with Kyle this afternoon. We got some plans. We're gonna discuss some vlog ideas as well. I hope you like this video. Please like it, subscribe, and keep supporting. See you all later. Bye.